Hi, I'm Manny Viana, the Service Manager for Porsche Ontario. Welcome back. Just wanted to give you a little bit more of an update as to what's been going on with our 2022 restoration project, the RS America. It's been at the body shop for a few weeks now, undergoing some much needed repair. The car had been a track car and it had come off once or twice, nothing major, but there was some bodywork that was needed, bumper mounts and just some minor repairs, which they've now done, and now the car is getting ready for the full respray. The doors have come off, the rear panels have been repaired. There was a bumper mount that had to be replaced. Luckily, we could get all of these parts from Porsche Classic, and the car is now as good as new, and it's in primer and just waiting for the final coat of paint. We should be receiving the car back shortly, where we can start putting it back together, and that's going to be a lot of fun. We're obviously under time constraints, and we're gonna maybe spend a few late nights getting it all done. But stay tuned, there will be further updates. Please don't forget to follow us on LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, and we'll see you real soon. Thank you.